Come with me as we take a look at the Tuscaloosa floor plan, one of our guest suites. This apartment will be renovated with quartz countertops and an undermount sink and tile backsplash in the kitchen. All flooring will be replaced with the luxury vinyl plank that looks like wood. You'll notice the high ceilings in the living space as well as the bedroom. This large bedroom easily accommodates a king-size bed and extra furniture. And the bathroom will undergo renovations as well. The countertop will be quartz, mirror will be replaced, and lighting will be updated. This bathroom also contains the stackable washer-dryer for your convenience. Call today and schedule a tour at Capstone Village and take a look at a legendary place to call home.